and that's how we're gonna do this. You guys are gonna be in front of the kiss thing again. But I guess that's okay. Alright. Alright, Benjamin, before we get started, there's just a couple of things I want you to remember.
Oh, great. Like, you gotta tell me everything.
Well, no, there's just a couple of no-go areas here. I don't want you to get into trouble.
Okay, what is it?
Well, first of all, try not to say anything about religion or politics.
Oh, yeah, like I'm gonna bring up something stupid.
Well, I just don't want you to get into trouble.
Alright, alright. Can I show them my cartoon of the Prophet Muhammad?
No, that's what I'm talking about. Just don't go near areas like that.
Okay, okay.
All right. Boss, you ready to get started?
Yeah, whenever you are.
Okay. Benjamin, let's check your microphone first. Give me a check 1 2, check 1 2.
Check 1 2, check 1 2.
All right. And boss, can you check that microphone for me?
Check 1 2.
Check 1 2. All right, that sounds really good. Well, hello there, Natasha. How are you this morning?
Oh, I'm good. Sorry I'm late, guys.
Oh, I'm sure that's just fine. You wanna check your headset there?
Yeah, sure. Hold on. Check 1 2, check 1 2.
All right. And just one more time, dear.
Check 1 2, check 1 2.
Okay. I think we're all set, boss. Whenever you're ready. Okay. How should we start the show today?
I don't know. Usually start with a song.
Oh, I got an idea. Yeah, this is good. Because it's a morning show. This is your wake-up call. Time to reach, go for it all. Folgers starting to brew, the aroma's calling you. The best part of waking up is Folgers in your... Oh, crap. Okay, let's start that over. This is your wake-up call. Time to reach, go for it all. Folgers starting to brew, the aroma's calling you. The best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup. Hey. Hey, Boozhoo ni Janashanabe Dug. Welcome back to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Today's Ojibwe language podcast is brought to you by the generous financial contribution of our brothers, our Nijis, from Folgers.
Really?
Drink Makere Mash Kikiwabu, the black medicine water called Folgers.
Oh, wow.
Folgers. It's great. It doesn't taste like gas station coffee.
No.
No, really. Folgers. Drink it. If you want to be a true native, you drink Folgers. You drink the black medicine water. Makere Mash Kikiwabu Folgers. And if you drink that Starbucks, you know what that is?
What?
You're drinking the tears of your ancestors.
Oh, wow,
Hey.
not even.
Nah, I don't drink Folgers,
I do.
but I would. Oh, wow. Hey, Folgers, if you want to support this show, that's the kind of thing you can expect. Songs. You know, Paul Stanley did a Folgers commercial. Maybe we should show that. You wanna? All right. Hold on a sec. I actually have it all queued up here. Let's watch the Paul Stanley's Folgers commercial.
What's with his hair?
I think he's growing it out. Hoa. Limit is the sky. Huh? Paul Stanley's Folgers commercial. Now that guy. I wonder what that was all about. You know? Like it's 2000. Paul Stanley, you know, the reunion tours come and gone. And yeah, let's pretend that's this day in history. On this day in history, Paul Stanley released the Folgers commercial in 2000, I think, or 1999. I got the impression it was right around the time when he was doing the Phantom of the Opera. So like he got up one morning and he goes, you know what? I've done it all. I wanted to be in the hottest band in the land. I did that. I was in a movie, The Phantom of the Park. Kiss meets The Phantom of the Park. So I was a movie star. And now I've done Broadway, The Phantom of the Opera. It's always a phantom with this guy. And he's like, what else? There's nothing I haven't done. He goes, wait, you know, I've never written a Folgers song. I'm going to write a Folgers song, and it'll be the greatest Folgers song ever. So he did that. And not only that, you know, he would have had to like record the song and then like get up and call his buddies to, hey, bring your camera down to the circus. I got this idea. I'm going to make a 30-second video with this really, really great song I wrote. The song is called Folgers. And he gets down there and he's like, hey, climb up there, you guys. We're going to catch you doing your little act. So Folgers. Today's podcast, Makare Mush Kiki Wabu, black medicine water. I know I've brought that up before, but that's what today's word is. All right, so it's Labor Day. Anoki Gija Good. Anoki Gija Good. It is Labor Day, and let's just check the weather for Labor Day. People got a lot of plans. You know, it's kind of weird. On Labor Day, nobody works. But it's not like we say, Hoa, we got relaxing day. We got just take it easy day. Oh, I better grab my work boots. Where are my work gloves? It's relaxing day. I better get to it. All right, today's weather for Labor Day. September 3rd. Sunny with a high near 75. Light east-southeast wind becoming southeast 9 to 14 miles per hour in the morning. Winds could gust as high as 18 miles an hour. Oh, 18 miles an hour. So there you go. High of 75. Sunny. That's pretty good. Let's see. Do we have the... Here we go. Today on Ojibwe Trivia. This is a new segment we're calling Ojibwe Trivia. And today is Ojibwe Trivia question. See if you can get this, sweetie.
Okay.
Oh no, these are boring. Cheap, broken tooth. We don't care about that. Okay. Where's the one? Okay. Many Native American tribes are noted for their craft work. I think Germany is noted for a 80s band called Kraftwerk. The Ojibwe are expressly known for their beadwork, often in floral patterns, and their birch bark baskets. They are also responsible for the creation of an item that is used by white people, by Chomokomen, and Native Americans alike, by the Chomokomen and the Anishinaabe. What would that be? Is it A, dream catchers, B. Kachinas, C. Mandelas, or D. Parfleck? What do you think, sweetie?
What are they again?
You got your dream catchers, your kachinas, your mandelas, or your parfleck?
What's a parfleck?
I have no idea.
Okay, well, it's probably not that. I'm going to say dream catchers.
You know what? I think you're right. And the answer to the thing is dream catchers. Legend has it the first dream catcher was created by a grateful spider. Nokomis, the grandmother of all the Ojibwe people, restrained her grandson from killing the spider. The beholden spider then spun a beautiful web in Nokomis's window. Only good dreams were allowed through the small hole. Bad dreams were hopelessly caught in the web. The Lakota believed they first created the dream catcher and have a legend of their own. The parfleck is a container made from rawhide, and the mandala is a ceremonial wheel used by the Plains Indians. The kachina is a Hopi doll. Okay, the parfleck is a container made from rawhide. All right, so you learn something every day. Geez, I hope I didn't tell an Ojibwe story. I was supposed to wait till after the snow flies, eh? So yeah, the dream catcher. Pawajigan. Nakwe BG Winini. A dream catcher, that's an Ojibwe thing. I kind of suspect that they, the Ojibways, we were always good businessmen. And when the powwows came around, they were like, hey, you know what? Let's sell these dream catchers. Oh, the tourists are really going to gobble them up. Pawajigan. Nakwe BG Winini. Dream catcher. Pawajigan. Dream. Nakwe BG Winini. Catcher. The dream catcher. The Anishinaabe dream catcher. All right, so we did the weather. We did this day in history. We watched a Paul Stanley video. It's been 13 minutes. Is this long enough, you think? Yeah, people are probably like, oh, I gotta get going. Even though I'm not working today, I can't just sit on Facebook and watch your little podcast. So, I want to thank everyone for tuning in today. And I want to wish you a happy Anoki Gija Good. A happy Labor Day. Anything you want to add there, Weenie Moshane?
Nah. What should we do today, actually?
I don't know. It's going to be beautiful. Should we go for a walk?
Yeah, let's go for a walk in the woods.
All right. We're going to go for a walk in the woods. So you guys have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow. Giga waba min, minowa hawa. Yeah, I guess that's good enough.